Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today is bathroom cleaning day. I am in the boys' bathroom, and need I say more? It's the boys' bathroom. So this is my bathroom cleaning caddy. I've got squeegee for the tub. I've got my sponge and a toothbrush for, those little areas that you need a toothbrush for. I've got the Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. For the tub, I use these scrubbing bubbles with foaming bleach. And I also use a little bit of this Mrs. Meyer's and the geranium scent. And I'm still using this Method Glass and Surface Cleaner. I've got some paper towels and these disinfecting wipes, the Great Value brand. And I'm also gonna go grab my Swiffer duster and a few microfiber cloths.
So straight away, I'm putting in the toilet bowl cleaner to give it time to start working. Next, I'm going to do a quick dusting, starting with the light fixtures and anywhere up high, including the area above the shower and above the door, and then working my way down to the baseboards. Now I'm going to start removing everything from the shower. And full disclosure, guys, this tub was embarrassingly dirty. I mean, look at this. I wanted to give you a close look at how grimy this was because it doesn't always show up on camera. So yeah, I had my work cut out for me. So let's get started with the shower.
Clean hands. Time to tackle the mirrors and the sink, which is the easiest part. Try to do the worst part first, second worst, least worst. normally do this once a week, but because of the holidays, it's been about 3 weeks, maybe 4, since I actually gave this bathroom a good clean. I know it's pretty bad, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. But it's done now, it's clean, and I will clean it again in a week. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some inspiration to clean your bathroom, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.